This is the configuration of PBX. You download the advanced IP scanner. After you download, you search the PBX default. You can see here the PBX IP. After you see the PBX IP, go to the Internet Explorer. Type the IP 192.168.8.8. This is the PBX. So you can see this one, D-Link PBX. This is the admin username. You can put admin because the password is not accepted for short password, so I create the long password. Admin at 2854 because we need the strong password. See, this is the password. After that, log in PBX. This is the PBX configuration. Save this one, so very easy. Save this configuration. After the PBX is open, you go to open this one, PBX settings, the extension and extension. See, all you can see here, how to change the, how to put or how to install, how to insert the phone number. So this is the extension number 2030. Put this number, for example, this is manager. Put here the name of manager. Manager. See, and this one, this is the very important. This is the how many time, 2 days for trying this one, because need to remove this. Like this, cut. So I cutting. After cutting, save. That's it. It's the configuration of the PBX D-Link X19X093068.